In this video, we will tell you the 9 secret money habits of millionaires that will make you rich if you follow. Actually, the millionaires possess many great money habits, but they never tell these to anyone. They keep it a secret because they are aware of the fact that if somebody knows their habits, then they may get rich. But we have researched a lot and found out their main habits. So watch this video till the end, or you may miss some crucial tips. Now let's start. 1. Successful people are grateful. Being appreciative is a skill that everyone can learn, and the wealthy are the best judges of this. The wealthy stop what they're doing to count their blessings. They aren't bashful about expressing their appreciation for life's many benefits. 2. Wealthy people know when enough is enough. To indulge in something is something that everyone does from time to time. Some individuals prefer to treat themselves to extras, whether it's a dessert, a drink, or a vehicle, particularly when they feel like they've earned it. Great individuals don't cut out what makes them happy, but they also know when to stop trying. The thought of having another drink makes them too exhausted to get up early the next day, or buying another automobile makes them feel financially strained. Though they may treat themselves every once in a while, the wealthy are usually good at knowing when to cut down. A good item, in excess, may be harmful. Whatever it is, a change in eating habits, a vacation from work, or just one more night out. Even if you're enjoying your treat right now, will you be sorry for it later? Always ask this question to yourself. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and secrets. 3. Wealthy people are on the move. The wealthy usually rise before the sun comes up. Even on weekends, they get up bright and early before most others are even thinking about getting out of bed. The wise understand that time does not wait for anyone. Making the best of each day is something they understand. You may increase your efficiency and satisfaction with the day by rising an hour earlier. 4. Wealthy people give back. Real winners take pleasure in other people's successes. There is no shortage of fear or competitiveness for them. There is enough for everyone, and the wealthy are happy to share what they have with those less fortunate. Successful individuals often feel compelled to give back to their communities in some way, whether it's via financial donations, volunteer work for charitable events, or membership in community organizations. Rich individuals are grateful for what they have and wish to help others benefit from their plenty. Their heart is in helping others, and they are selflessly giving of their time and money. Cooperation strengthens our individual strengths, and successful individuals know this. You get more rewards when you redistribute. 5. Successful people take responsibility. They're pessimistic, grumbling, and blaming friends and family members are likely falling short of their potential. Owning up to one's actions and choices is a hallmark of successful individuals. Every aspect of their lives, including how they respond to certain events, is ultimately under their control, they come to understand. Extremely few affluent individuals ever feel the need to respond. As events unfold, they adapt. When you react, you don't need to plan ahead too much. You give it some thought, ponder it over, and consider your alternatives when you react to a person, an event, or a scenario. Afterwards, you proceed with a sensible and suitable course of action. Feelings dictate our reactions, which aren't always rational. Answers are well considered and suitable. 6. Successful people start now. Do not procrastinate if you want to be successful. This applies to new habits, ideas, jobs, or even new responsibilities. You won't see a successful individual putting off starting a new project or exercising until tomorrow if he makes a decision today. Achievers wake up early every day, and start making progress toward their goals. Starting on your future path is best done right now. Despite the fact that most of us would rather sleep in, dreading the prospect of failing or losing, the rich get up early every day and begin moving. Of course, they may not be prepared just yet. Actually, it's possible that they're on edge. On the other hand, success is more likely. When individuals are inspired to do more, it gives them the drive they need. 7. Successful people know when to say no. Doing what other people want you to do will not make you rich or successful. No one ever got ahead without learning to say no, and successful individuals do it both in their personal and professional life. Although taking on too much is a certain way to make a name for yourself, expand your professional network, and get recognition in your community, it does come with certain drawbacks. One way to burn yourself out is to always accept everyone's offer of help. It doesn't take long for you to get overwhelmed and lose focus on what really matters. Saying yes to every chance or idea may be disastrous for the company since it causes you to lose focus on what really matters and your ultimate objectives. When you decline another time waster, you're essentially prioritizing yourself and your needs. 8. Wealthy people invest in themselves. Being successful is about more than just possessing a lot of money. The world's richest individuals understand that investing in oneself is the best long-term strategy. Successful individuals read every day at a rate of 88%, according to a new survey by Success magazine. No matter whether you're reading books on self-improvement, trade periodicals, or your career, reading is essential. The wealthy also don't spend all their free time reading comics. For the most part, they work on bettering themselves. You should never stop learning and growing. That is why getting a degree, whether it's an associate's, bachelor's, or second master's, is so crucial. Those with money refuse to be satisfied with the way things are. For better or worse, they are always pushing themselves to do better. 9. Rich people are in it for the long haul. This goes beyond stock market speculation. Those in affluent circles will likely advise you to just ride the waves. Successful people are tenacious in every aspect of their life, not only their financial dealings. Being anxious when things appear unstable might be a risky way to invest money. Everyone who has amassed $1 million knows that when the market is down, that's when you should purchase equities. Still, middle-class Americans don't always have it easy. Anxieties set in as the market starts to fall, and most individuals act in response. Realizing that everything is cyclical, the affluent avoid the knee-jerk response. In the end, they are prepared to ride out the ups and downs for the complete return. In life as well, this is so. Those in wealthy families don't behave impulsively. Some things just need time to work out, and they've come to terms with the fact that patience is a virtue. That's all for today. Now you know all the habits of the millionaires that will make you rich in 2024. These habits are always kept secret by the millionaires. Press the red subscribe button below to know more amazing financial tips and secrets to get rich quickly. Do hit the like button also if you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new from this video. Make sure that you have shared this video with everyone so that you may help another person to get rich. This is also a trait of millionaires, as I already said before. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Many people think that millionaires are straightforward, but actually, they are not. They never reveal their money habits. They may tell what they do daily, but it's actually just 1% of their total habit. They may discuss about their investments, like investments in assets like stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, and many other assets. Millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett say that they just invest their money and hide their secret money habits. Well, We have discussed all of them now, you just need to follow them. Also, millionaires say that you can't get rich if you are getting a low salary from your job. It's not true. We have made a video on the topic of how you could get rich on a low income. You may click on the video appearing on the right side to watch it. Thank you.